In this video, I want to show you how you can change your WordPress password and why you should change your WordPress password on a regular basis. So, hi, my name is Tim. Welcome to my new video. So in this video, like I said, I want to show you how you change your password and why you should change your password regularly. So your WordPress password, your login password is your main defense line against attackers or brute force attacks. So it's there are password lists out there so that hacker use in brute force attacks, so they can target your website, your login site, and then they will try to brute force their way into your website, into your backend. So this is why it's really important that you change your password. I think every 2 to 3 months is okay. If you want to be on the completely safe side, then of course you can do it every month. And I think and also the more complex your password is, the more characters your word has, then I think the better it is, because it's more harder for the hackers or for the attackers to brute force your password, because there are password lists out there, and then they will input all the passwords and try to crack the access to your website. So, and if you want to change your password in WordPress, it is relatively simple. Now I am on my WordPress website, so you can see users here, and when you click on users or all users, then you can see all users that are currently on your website. So you can see right now that's me. I am the only user on this website, and I have administrator rights. And if you here on this list, then you can see all people that are registered on your website, all user, and you can check this if somebody else has an admin right. So that's not good, and if you don't know who this is, then that's not good. Then you should delete this account, or make it only a lower tier account, because that could be something bad. So, and if I want to choose or change my password, then I will go to edit, hover over the name and go to edit, and further down the site, here's account management, and then I can set a new password. So I would click here, and now you see the system already has generated a strong password for me. You can use this, or you can click on set new password. So the system will automatically generate a new strong password for you. Or if you don't trust this, then of course there are a few websites out there that generate really strong passwords. No one can crack that easily, and that's it. So then you can choose this password or click on set new password. Then this password is set, and of course, remember the password, copy this password, and paste it somewhere in a Word file or in a text file, that you don't forget it, because when you forget it, then it's a little bit harder to recover your account. But always copy this or write it down or something like this. So that's already it for the video. Now you know how and why you should change your password on a regular basis to be on the safe side. And if you have any questions about this, then please let me know in the comments down below. And if you found this video informative, if you learned something new, then give me a thumbs up, or give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.